Alright guys, I am super excited. Just got back with the Tesla. I've got the parts in the trunk. Not going to show you yet, but let's put this back together and we'll do a reveal of what this guy is gonna look like once all the parts go back. Let's go. Alright guys, I am super excited to show you guys what has become of the R6. I got the stuff back. It's installed. It's in the garage. Let's do the reveal. Alright, so let's just go over what's actually been done to the bike. Front fender wrapped in carbon fiber. The logo, the R6 logo on the fairing has been covered up with the gray, was covered up by the carbon fiber. The lower cowling, right there, lower cowling covered the gray, again covered by the carbon fiber. The rear wheel hugger covered with carbon fiber. The tail, the fender flares, this looks amazing. Look at that blue just pop off that carbon fiber wrap. What? I think this looks amazing. That looks awesome. Then we've also got the chain guard. Chain guard's being wrapped. That was very annoying to put on, or take off, sorry, but very, very worth it. Then we've got the under cowling again on this side has been covered with carbon fiber. Going to the top over here, obviously I've already had the tank pad on there. Now we've got the gray portion of the tank cover, carbon fibered. Looks amazing. And then don't forget this side over here, the R6 logo again has been covered. So anything basically gray on this bike has now been carbon fibered. And to be honest, it looks 1000% better than what the factory color scheme was, in my opinion. This looks awesome. I'm super excited the way this guy turned out. Awesome work by the guys at Ajax at Complex Auto Designs. I actually spoke with Mo. I'll give him a good shout out here. He did an amazing job. It just looks amazing. He got it done in 2 days, dropped it on Friday, picked the stuff up on Sunday. So just awesome, awesome, awesome detail. It looks freaking amazing. Super excited to get this guy on the road. It's definitely going to be a head turner at wherever I take it. It's going to be sick. Plus, future video coming up, and I'm going to tell you right now, that right there, the stock exhaust, that's probably going to be next to go. But not going to say what I'm going to replace it with. We'll just do a video on it and go from there. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Another shout out to Complex Auto Designs. Mo, you are freaking awesome, bro. The shop details will be in the description below. If you're in Toronto, GTA, they're in Ajax, guys. They do great work. I'll put the Instagram account on the actual description as well. Awesome, awesome work. Complex Auto Designs right there, guys. Leave some comments down below, guys. Let me know what you think of the R6, the 2020 R6 as it is right now. I personally love the carbon fiber look, but let me know what you guys think. I've got a couple more plans coming down the line. but right now, this looks amazing. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button also for more future videos on the 2020 Yamaha R6. Until the next one, guys.